If you remember my carboot video, I came across someone selling a cleaning paste called Revive. After researching online, I came to know that this demonstration, which shows how easily solid grease comes off, is not what it actually seems to be by reading a lot of negative feedback. Basically, the concept is apply, scrub and wipe away. Anyway, I bought the paste to see if it actually works, or is it something that is bogus. Now, as it states, you can use it on your trainers too, so I thought why not get my dirty trainers cleaned. I applied a bit of paste on both trainers, waited for a minute, scrubbed it thoroughly, and still the dirt wouldn't come off in some places. So the next challenge was George Foreman ceramic plate. Had some grease on it that I couldn't take off using fairy liquid and a scouring pad. So I applied the paste, waited for a minute and scrubbed it hard. As you can see, there is some grease coming off. So I guess it did not fully work as shown, but I'm satisfied that it has removed some grease off. Right, the last test is this rusty old stain I had on the slab. Tried the pressure washer, but still it wouldn't go away. So after applying the paste and scrubbing, I'm quite impressed that it has removed most of the stain. Back to my trainers, I guess I got to clean them my way by using oxy powder or some cleaning wipes. You can really see a difference from the Revive paste used to the oxy powder. So will I purchase the Revive paste again? That will be a no. Does it work? Well, in some cases, as you have seen, as I'm still skeptical on the adverts and demos on how good it works there, but not in your own home. I'm sure there's a better alternative out there, guys. Take care, peace.